In Urdu, we say aloo. Aloo. In Chinese, we say 土豆. 土豆. In English, we say potato. Potato. In Urdu, we say gajar. Gajar. In Chinese, we say 胡萝卜. 胡萝卜. In English, we say carrot. Carrot. In Urdu, we say mooli. Mooli. In Chinese, we say 萝卜. 萝卜. In English, we say radish. Radish. In Urdu, we say chukandar. Chukandar. In Chinese, we say 红菜头. 红菜头. In English, we say beetroot. Beetroot. In Urdu, we say arvi. Arvi. In Chinese, we say 芋头. 芋头. In English, we say taro. Taro. In Urdu, we say shakarkandi. Shakarkandi. In Chinese, we say 甘薯. 甘薯. In English, we say sweet potato. Sweet potato. In Urdu, we say shaljam. Shaljam. In Chinese, we say 无精. 无精. In English, we say turnip. Turnip. In Urdu, we say adrak. Adrak. In Chinese, we say 生姜. 生姜. In English, we say ginger. Ginger. In Urdu, we say lesson. Lesson. In Chinese, we say 大蒜. 大蒜. In English, we say garlic. Garlic. In Urdu, we say piyaz. Piyaz. In Chinese, we say 洋葱. 洋葱. In English, we say onion. Onion. In Urdu, we say halwa kaddu. Halwa kaddu. In Chinese, we say 南瓜. 南瓜. In English, we say pumpkin. Pumpkin. In Urdu, we say bangan. Bangan. In Chinese, we say 茄子. 茄子. In English, we say eggplant. Eggplant.